In this video, I will show you how you can set dual wallpaper for portrait and landscape mode on any iPad. Now, to do that, first of all, just install two wallpapers on your iPad. Ideally, use two wallpapers which complement each other, like you can have a zoomed in wallpaper for landscape mode and a zoomed out wallpaper for portrait mode. Now, you can be as creative as you want. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the App Store. In the App Store, just search this. Now just install Canva on your iPad. After you do that, then just tap on Open. Then on this page, just tap on Create. From this panel, just select Custom Size. And in the width section, just enter this number, 2360. Then in the height section, just enter this number, 5000. Now after you do that, then just make sure that the units are in pixels. Now just tap on Create. And after you create the artboard, from this panel, just select Camera Roll. And from here, just select the wallpaper which you want to use for landscape mode. For example, I will select this wallpaper and just tap on Add to Page. Now from here, you can crop the wallpaper to whatever you want. And just place the wallpaper at the top of the artboard and increase its size like that. You can crop it and adjust it as you like. And once you have placed the wallpaper for landscape mode at the top of the artboard, then over here just select the wallpaper which you want to set for portrait mode. Just tap on Add to Page. Now by using the same method, just increase the size of the wallpaper so it fits perfectly into the camera frame. Just adjust both of these wallpapers as you like. Now once you're done creating your wallpaper, then just tap on Share and select Save as Image. Now after you've saved the wallpaper into the Photos app, then just go to your home screen and open the Notifications panel. Now just tap and hold on the screen and tap on the plus icon over here. Now just go to Photos and select the wallpaper which we have created. Now in landscape mode, just crop the wallpaper so it fits perfectly into the screen. Then move your iPad into portrait mode and crop into the photo so it fits perfectly into the screen. And once you are satisfied with your wallpaper, now just tap on Add and select Set as Wallpaper Pair. And once you are done customizing your wallpaper, as you can see, we have successfully set dual wallpaper for portrait mode and for horizontal mode on our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.